Why you should keep a food journal. Whether your goals involve weight loss, dietary improvement, or gaining insight into your eating habits, maintaining a food journal can prove highly advantageous. It can also be a valuable tool for identifying foods that may trigger adverse symptoms, especially if you have a food sensitivity or conditions like irritable bowel syndrome or acid reflux. Although the idea of meticulously documenting everything you consume may seem daunting, the process is often simpler than it appears. This video aims to clarify what a food journal entails, how it can benefit you, and how to get started. What is a food journal? A food journal is a tool that enables you to record your daily food and beverage intake. Along with documenting specific foods and drinks, you can also note quantities consumed, meal companions or whether you ate alone, time and location of each meal, pre, during, and post-meal or snack emotions and sensations. Food journals are sometimes recommended by healthcare professionals such as doctors and dietitians to gain insight into your eating habits. They may also help identify any foods or ingredients you may be sensitive to. Benefits of food journals. Building healthy habits. Tracking your food and drink intake increases your awareness of eating habits, making it easier to identify unhealthy patterns and replace them with healthier choices. It helps you make conscious meal decisions throughout the day and prevents mindless snacking. Promoting weight control. Keeping a food diary aids weight loss efforts by raising awareness of portion sizes and highlighting the foods, emotions, or external factors that contribute to consuming high-fat, sugary, or calorie-dense foods. It can also assist those aiming to gain weight by monitoring food intake and identifying ways to increase calorie consumption. Identifying food sensitivities. Food journals are commonly used to pinpoint food sensitivities. They are particularly useful for individuals with conditions like IBS, food allergies, acid reflux, or non-celiac gluten sensitivity, as certain foods or beverages can exacerbate symptoms. Consulting a registered dietitian can help analyze your food journal and identify potential intolerances or allergens. Tips for getting started. Keeping a food journal doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Here are some quick tips to help you begin. Record entries in real time. To ensure accuracy, update your food journal throughout the day rather than waiting until the end. This way, you won't forget any items or struggle with estimating portion sizes. Include everything. Even small snacks should be included in your food journal, as they can be crucial in detecting food allergies or sensitivities. Additionally, tracking snacks helps manage overall calorie, carbohydrate, and sugar intake. Be detailed. Provide specific details in your journal, including ingredients, spices, seasonings, and precise portion sizes. Use measuring cups or a food scale for accuracy, or visually compare your food to common objects for estimation. Consider using an app. Smartphone food journal apps offer convenience and a comprehensive food and beverage library, providing detailed nutritional information. They save time, eliminate guesswork, and provide accurate data on potential triggers, calories, macronutrients, and vitamins. Examples of food journal apps are MyFitnessPal or Fat Secret. Monitor your mood. In addition to tracking food and drink, record changes in your mood throughout the day and after meals. This helps identify patterns and understand how your diet may impact your mental health and emotional eating tendencies. Things to consider. While food journals benefit many individuals, they may not be suitable for everyone and could potentially have negative effects. Individuals with a history of eating disorders, such as anorexia or bulimia, may find food journals triggering. Some people may also develop obsessive thoughts or experience negative emotions like guilt and shame when maintaining a food journal. Additionally, fixating on specific details or numbers without using the data to improve overall diet quality can be counterproductive. If a food journal proves triggering or unhelpful, alternative practices like mindful eating should be explored. To sum it all up, food journals are effective tools for tracking food and beverage consumption. By noting what, when, and where you eat, along with your emotions and sensations, you can build healthy habits, identify food sensitivities, and manage your weight effectively. Utilize the tips provided to start and maintain a food journal, enabling you to improve your diet and take charge of your health. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you again in the future. Your support through likes and subscriptions would be greatly appreciated, because it enables us to grow and create more content like this. If you enjoyed this video, there's a good chance you'll enjoy this one too.